Hello everyone, good evening. This is Senthil from Shastra. I think it's been quite some time since we have posted our daily update actually, because we were in the process of shifting our office space from one place to another. So and also there were some connectivity issues as well for the past 1 week, so which actually made us not to post any videos as such actually. So I think going forward we'll be having our regular update video on time every day. So like we do it every day, let's quickly look at what's happening in the market today. uh, i think uh, I think as we spoke from the last week, Nifty never made a all-time high. Post that actually Nifty has tried to close above the all-time high, but it never able to do it, and it has closed below the 5 days moving average as well. That made the Nifty to fall from the top to the bottom line of the channel. Now it's trading very close to the lower end of the channel, but today there was some recovery came up in the Nifty. Due to that, Nifty slightly moved higher. The reason behind this is it's because I think the retracement level would have been 61.8. Yeah, it's trying to maintain 50% retracement level, and it's very close to 61.8 as well. So due to that, Nifty made a bounce. So if Nifty holds this trend line, it's fine. If it's not holding, any close below this trend line in one particular day will make the Nifty to fall further, right? So that will become a trend change for the Nifty overall. And I think due to that, yeah, so due to that, if that happens, the trend will completely change in Nifty. So we need to be careful. And also the elections results are around the corner. Maybe in next 3-4 weeks we can see whether BJP is coming back to power or Congress. So we need to wait and watch. So this is the Nifty's weekly chart looks like. It's more like a flag pattern on the upper side. If Nifty manages to hold this trend line, I think we can see a good upside, and it can go towards 22,900. That is the top of the channel now. So once that goes, and then post that, any close above 22,900 will take Nifty to 23,000. So Nifty has to take a support in the trend line channel. If that's not happening, then we might see a good sell off in Nifty in the coming days, right? Let's quickly move into Bank Nifty. Too many lines, yeah, remove drawings. Yep. So Bank Nifty currently, what is happening in Bank Nifty is currently trading in the trend line pattern. Basically, if you look at it, it's purely taking a support in all the trend lines. So maybe if Bank Nifty falls, it might come to the range of around 47,000 ranges from here on. If Bank Nifty takes a support from here, and then if it's moving above, then we might have a different levels altogether. So basically right now at this point of time, Bank Nifty has to close about 48,500 for the next up move to come in the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. So if any close above 48,500, we can bring in for fresh up move towards the all-time high. If that's not happening, then we might see some sell-off in Bank Nifty, and it might go and retest the trend line again and then come back. That is quickly in Bank Nifty, right? Let's quickly look at Reliance. I think these are stocks which we actually looked at it a few weeks back. If you clearly notice this, I think I was telling that if any close happens out of this triangle, then we can take a trade. I think it's pretty much visible now. I think a couple of weeks back, Reliance closed outside the triangle pattern, and then the fall starts. So every time Reliance tried to make to the top, then it fell. This is what happens when the breakdown happens, right? So that is on Reliance. Let's quickly look at IDFC First Bank. It was moving in a very good range until 85 or 86, and from there it just fell off from the top all the way close to 76.75 now, right? The fall is very severe because it's mainly due to the results which came out from IDFC First Bank. And even in the fib, if you put a fib, what's happening in the fib? So it is clearly trading below 78.6 levels, which I would say it's not good. Looks like we might retest 75 now. So once 75 is tested, it's more like a double bottom. If 75 is getting older, I think then IDFC might return, go back from here. But there's a different view which I have it in IDFC First Bank. If you look at the monthly chart, it's clearly in the trend line. Last month IDFC did not close above the trend line. It slightly moved above the trend line, but it was not that great due to the results came out. Right now the IDFC is again coming back inside the trend line. I think around 69.5 or 70 levels. It's a beautiful level for IDFC Bank for the long term investing. I think once you find these levels coming up, I think you can happily go and invest blindly in IDFC First Bank. If you notice this, I think this is the level which I am currently looking for, 61.8, which is around 70 to 70.5. This is the level which IDFC First Bank might test, and before going for up move. This is purely because of the results which came out. Results was okay, it was not that great because due to higher provisions happened. Due to that, IDFC First Bank fell off very badly. Let's quickly look at some other stocks. Kotak, I think Kotak Mahindra Bank fell off very nicely. If you look, Kotak Mahindra Bank, if you look at it, these are the support areas for the Kotak Mahindra Bank. If you look at it, support, and the support is broken here. If you notice, the support is broken, but Kotak came up with a decent results. So that's the reason why Kotak is currently up. But this is a monthly chart, so we need to wait whether Kotak is able to close above 1648 levels. If that maybe 1635 levels, if that happens, I think Kotak can go back to the upper range again. If the close is happening below 1635, then it just as dead cat bounce happen in Kotak, and we might see a bigger sell off in the next month, and it can take the Kotak to 1440 levels or 1325 levels. These are levels which will happen if Kotak does not close above 1635 in the monthly chart, right? That is more important. So the chart which currently I am looking out is Wipro IT. I think I already mentioned, IT stocks are doing well, will do well actually. Wipro is currently trading in the trend line range, so any close above this particular trend line, like around 465 466 levels, will be a clear breakout, and Wipro can go and test 489 levels from there. So Wipro is in my radar. And I think I also mentioned about Ashok Leyland. It's clearly a breakout retest is happening. So any fall towards 191.5 can be taken as a retest, and from there we can buy it fresh. Right now it's trading around 198.35. I would say it's a good level, but we would have caught this yesterday. I think yesterday it came around to 192.2. So that is a good level which I am looking for currently. Let's quickly look at gold. Gold is still, it's pretty much range bound. Any close about $23-32 will be the fresh buy. Any close below $22.82 will be the fresh sell off will happen. This is the gold. I think we have already marked the lines, and it's clearly trading within the range, right? If you could notice. So let's quickly go to Maharashtra Bank. If you clearly see, it's a good upside. It went all the way to 72, and from there the sell-off came. It's exactly took a support around 61.8, 64.3, right? This is a retracement level. So once this level is, now it has clearly took a support. If this level is getting older, I think we might see a good upside from here. It's just a normal retracement, and we can clearly go for upside, and then we can retest 72. Maybe first, once we need to cross 69. Once we cross 69, I think we can reach 72 in no matter of quick time. See, as an overall perspective, the market looks a bit too much volatile recent days. and there is a continuous sell-off is been happening from the FIs as well, because they are very much cautious about the election results. So due to which we also need to be cautious as well. So once the election results come, there will be a clear trend will be happening. So until then, buy some good stocks in your portfolio and keep it for long term. If BJP comes back to power, I think the market will enjoy. And then it's not about BJP coming back to power, but BJP has to come back to power with a good majority. If that happens, market will celebrate and it will go to all-time high pretty much soon. If the majority is not coming up, then market will get battered all the way down. So that's what we are looking for. So keep adding good stocks in the dips. So don't worry much about the fall. Good stocks will recover very fast. So don't worry about it. I think we have covered majority of it. Thanks a lot. Going forward, we'll be getting the daily updates on time. So thanks a lot, guys. Have a nice day.